Cabbage and cauliflower kofta curry. Prepare the ingredients. Chop cabbage and cauliflower into large pieces. Grate 1 cup of cabbage and 2 cups of cauliflower into a bowl. Add 2 cups of basin flour and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well by hand and form into a smooth dough. Shape the mixture into kofta balls. Cut 3 tomatoes into quarters. Peel and finely slice 1-inch piece of ginger. Measure 2 tablespoons of Rogan Josh curry paste. Open 1 can of coconut cream and roughly chop 1 onion. Place the tomatoes into a blender. Add the ginger and Rogan Josh curry. Add the onions. Add 1 can of coconut milk. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Blend ingredients well to form a smooth sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of agave. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Place 2 cups of basmati rice into a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Add 5 cardamom pods, cover and cook for 12 minutes. Add kofta balls to a pan and cook until golden brown. When cooked, both sides add the blended tomato mixture. Continue to simmer over a medium heat for 5 minutes. When the rice is cooked, add 2 cups of frozen peas. Mix well and set aside. Turn the kofta balls and serve when ready. Top with sliced chilli and coriander.